Joey. Duel. It's my turn. I set this card face down. My turn is done. Here I go. It's my turn. I draw. I set a card face down. I set a card face down. On my hand, I activate a spell. Here's Red Eyes Wyvern. Battle. Red Eyes Wyvern. Dark Blade. I end my turn. It's my turn. I draw a card. Here I go. From my hand, I activate a spell. From my hand, I activate a quick play spell. I activate the continuous trap card, Return of the Red Eyes. Now is the time. I special summon a monster. I'm counting on you. I special summon a monster. Now is the time. Synchro summon. My monster's effect activates. My monster's effect activates. Here I go. I special summon a monster. Alright. Synchro summon. Time to battle. Let's do this. I attack with a monster. That was nothing. My monster's effect activates. With this, I end my turn. Here I go. It's my turn. I draw. Check out my end game. I activate the spell card Polymerization. Fusion summon.
Red Eyes Dark Dragoon!